Slider Windows Rowlett TX offers a seamless blend of functionality and style, perfect for any home or business. Our expert team specializes in energy-efficient windows in Rowlett, ensuring your property remains comfortable year-round. Custom window solutions in Rowlett, Texas, cater to unique architectural needs, providing personalized designs that enhance curb appeal. For those seeking window replacement services in Rowlett, our comprehensive offerings include residential window repair in Rowlett TX, and commercial window installation in Rowlett. Double-pane windows in Rowlett, Texas, are a popular choice for their superior insulation properties, reducing energy costs and enhancing indoor comfort. Window frame repair in Rowlett is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our sliding glass doors in Rowlett TX offer a modern touch, combining ease of use with aesthetic appeal. Regular window maintenance services in Rowlett ensure longevity and optimal performance of your windows. Vinyl window options in Rowlett, Texas, provide a durable and low-maintenance solution for homeowners. Our window sealing services in Rowlett prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Insulated glass units in Rowlett TX are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping your home comfortable in all seasons. Upgrade your home with window hardware upgrades in Rowlett, enhancing both functionality and security. Window screen replacement in Rowlett, Texas, is a simple yet effective way to keep pests out while allowing fresh air in. Weatherproof windows in Rowlett are designed to withstand the elements, providing peace of mind during harsh weather conditions. Slider Windows Rowlett TX offer privacy and UV protection, reducing glare and protecting interior furnishings. Noise-reducing windows in Rowlett are ideal for those seeking a quieter indoor environment. Our window design consultation in Rowlett, Texas, helps you choose the perfect style and features for your home. For quick and efficient window glass repair in Rowlett, our skilled technicians are ready to assist. Window caulking services in Rowlett TX ensure a tight seal, preventing air and water leaks. Explore our wide range of window style options in Rowlett to find the perfect match for your home's aesthetic. Window safety features in Rowlett, Texas, provide added security and peace of mind for homeowners. Our window cleaning services in Rowlett keep your windows sparkling and clear, enhancing your view and home's appearance. With a window installation warranty in Rowlett TX, you can trust in the quality and durability of our work. Choose our slider window installation in Rowlett TX for a seamless and stylish addition to your property. Energy-efficient windows in Rowlett are a smart investment, reducing energy bills and environmental impact. Custom window solutions in Rowlett, Texas, offer tailored designs to suit any architectural style. Our window replacement services in Rowlett include both residential window repair in Rowlett TX and commercial window installation in Rowlett. Double-pane windows in Rowlett, Texas, provide excellent insulation, keeping your home comfortable and energy efficient. Window frame repair in Rowlett ensures your windows remain sturdy and functional. Slider Windows Rowlett TX add a modern touch to any space, offering easy access and natural light. Regular window maintenance services in Rowlett are crucial for preserving the lifespan and performance of your windows. Vinyl window options in Rowlett, Texas, offer a cost-effective and durable choice for homeowners. Window sealing services in Rowlett enhance energy efficiency by preventing drafts and air leaks. Insulated glass units in Rowlett TX are designed to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing energy consumption. Upgrade your home with window hardware upgrades in Rowlett for improved functionality and security. Window screen replacement in Rowlett, Texas, is a simple way to enhance ventilation while keeping insects out. Weatherproof windows in Rowlett are built to withstand harsh weather, providing durability and protection. Window tinting services in Rowlett TX offer privacy and UV protection, reducing glare and heat. Noise-reducing windows in Rowlett create a peaceful indoor environment, ideal for busy neighborhoods. Our window design consultation in Rowlett, Texas, helps you select the perfect style and features for your home. For fast and reliable window glass repair in Rowlett, our team is ready to assist. Window caulking services in Rowlett, TX, ensure a tight seal, preventing air and water infiltration. Explore our diverse range of window style options in Rowlett to find the perfect fit for your home. Window safety features in Rowlett, Texas, provide added security and peace of mind for homeowners. Our window cleaning services in Rowlett keep your windows spotless, enhancing your home's appearance and view. With a window installation warranty in Rowlett, TX, you can trust in the quality and longevity of our installations. Choose our slider window installation in Rowlett, TX, for a stylish and functional addition to your property.